Let's talk about the Logan Bay III hot tub. With 54 jets, including a foot massage, and just a 13 AMP power supply, you get the best of relaxation and efficiency. Imagine sinking into one lounger while the kids enjoy 5 comfy seats. The powerful pumps will keep you relaxed and massaged every time. 3 fountains plus a stunning 10-inch waterfall for that perfect garden vibe. Our new chemical tablet dispenser technology helps you keep the water crystal clear with minimal fuss. And with an easy-to-use control panel, you can set everything up just the way you want. And when the sun sets, the 20 LED lights create a magical glow, turning every soak into an experience. The built-in Bluetooth sound system means you can groove to your favorite tunes while unwinding. It's not just a hot tub, it's a full family entertainment package. Bring home the Logan Bay III on 0% or 4.9% APR finance options and make every day a getaway. Because your family deserves the best.